ClickUp allows users to send emails directly from tasks or spaces within the platform, making communication seamless and efficient. Here's how to send emails from ClickUp. Access ClickUp. Log into ClickUp. Navigate to clickup.com and log into your workspace. Locate the task or space. Select the task or space. Open a task or space where you want to send an email. This could be a project, task list, or folder in ClickUp. Sending an email. Open the email feature. Inside a task or space, locate the email icon or option. This may be found within the task details section or as a separate tab in task settings. Compose the email. Click the email option, which will open a new window where you can compose your email. Enter the recipient's email address. If needed, you can CC or BCC other contacts. Add subject and message. Add the subject line and write the body of the email. You can include task links, comments, or custom content from ClickUp into the email. Attach files or links. If applicable, attach relevant files or links from ClickUp by using the file attachment feature. Send the email. After composing your email, click the Send button to dispatch the message. Track sent emails. View sent emails. Once the email is sent, you can track its status and view sent emails directly within the task or space where the email was initiated.